Welcome back to Carverse. Today we're stepping into a world of ultra-luxury and bold innovation with the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a creation that feels like a fantasy, yet it's real. Known for dominating racetracks and building some of the most iconic supercars in history, Ferrari has surprised the world by entering the luxury motorhome scene. And as expected, they've done it their way, with passion, precision, and a whole lot of performance. From the first glance, the Ferrari Motorhome screams exclusivity. The exterior design blends classic Ferrari aesthetics with futuristic motorhome form. Up front, it sports a sculpted nose with sharp air intakes and slim LED matrix headlights inspired by the SF90. The signature prancing horse emblem sits proudly on a flush red carbon fiber grille. The sleek silhouette flows effortlessly from front to rear, with aerodynamic curves and active aero fins that adjust as you drive. The body is crafted from a combination of ultra-light carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum, giving it a weight advantage without compromising durability. On the sides, massive butterfly doors open with hydraulic precision, while panoramic smart glass windows line the cabin. These windows can adjust tint automatically based on sunlight, creating an ambient, privacy-friendly interior at all times. The rear of the Ferrari Motorhome is just as dramatic, with quad LED taillights, a full-width diffuser, and twin titanium exhausts. Even the back spoiler is active, adjusting itself based on speed and wind conditions. Hidden beneath the rear fascia is an integrated electric ramp for loading additional gear or even a small scooter. Step inside, and you're transported into a space that merges supercar luxury with elite interior design. The cockpit area is wrapped in hand-stitched Italian leather and Alcantara, with carbon fiber detailing throughout. The driver's seat mimics Ferrari's GT racing chairs, offering full digital displays, a F1-inspired steering wheel, and AI-assisted navigation with performance data tracking. Yes, even your road trip stats feel like telemetry from a race day. The lounge area features a sleek, minimalistic design with 2 reclining leather sofas, a touchscreen coffee table, and ambient LED lighting that follows Ferrari's red and gold theme. A 65-inch retractable OLED screen offers entertainment, while the built-in surround sound system is tuned by Bose, specifically for this cabin layout. The kitchen continues the luxury. It's compact but packed with premium appliances, a dual-burner induction cooktop, wine chiller, convection microwave, smart refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso station bearing the Ferrari logo. Cabinets are custom-designed, soft close, and trimmed in brushed aluminum with Ferrari's signature styling. The bedroom is nothing short of a private suite. It includes a memory foam queen bed with the Ferrari crest stitched into the headboard, custom bedding, a panoramic roof for stargazing, and a digital console to control lights, shades, temperature, and entertainment. Storage is built into the walls and floor with an attention to detail that makes every inch count. The bathroom features a rainfall shower with steam function, heated marble floors, a floating vanity, and a smart mirror with facial recognition that customizes settings to your preferences. The toilet is self-cleaning, and every surface feels like it belongs in a luxury hotel suite. Underneath, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a plug-in hybrid V8 engine paired with electric motors and delivering a combined output of 950 horsepower. It's shocking for a motorhome, but Ferrari insists it's about effortless power, not just speed. It can go from 0 to 60 mph in under 5.5 seconds and offers multiple drive modes, while from silent, electric only, to full power performance mode. It's also equipped with Ferrari's magnetic ride suspension, making long trips remarkably smooth. The range is around 400 miles on a full tank and charge combined, and fast charging capabilities allow you to power up the electric system in under 40 minutes. It's not just fast, it's smart and efficient. As for the price, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at a jaw-dropping $3.5 million, with bespoke options pushing it well beyond $4 million. Limited to just 30 units globally, it's built for collectors, enthusiasts, and those who want to take the Ferrari lifestyle far beyond the racetrack. This is not just a motorhome. It's an experience, a statement, and a glimpse at what happens when Ferrari brings its passion for performance to the open road.